What if the waste we ignore became the wealth we need? India's BioE3 policy is transforming science into circular regenerative solutions. What if discarded flowers became the source of natural pigments, incense, and clean biofuels? What if shrimp shells, once considered waste, could yield nutraceutical-rich oils? What if seaweed held the key to creating eco-friendly resins and marine-safe materials? What if moringa, instead of being exported raw, could be processed locally into high-value health foods? What if banana peels provided us with natural sources of serotonin and melatonin for wellness? And what if ginger, turmeric, tomato, and even grains could be upcycled into powerful functional food ingredients? Backed by cutting-edge research, AI-powered hubs, and biomanufacturing centers, BioE3 transforms ideas into impactful solutions, supports workforce development in emerging sectors, and advances sustainable development. From waste to wellness, from research to revenue, BioE3 is building a cleaner, greener, and a sustainable Bharat.